Hello guys, I'm Nika. My YouTube channel, Grandma Nika TV. If you are new in my channel, please thumbs up, subscribe, then bell all to receive notification have video upload. Thank you for coming.
Today guys, we're going to steam onion. Drinking syrup of steamed onion is good for lossen your phlegm and treat your throat, and also relieves cough. Just steam 10 minutes and you can also have your own medicine. Just follow what I'm doing and you can also have your medicine to drink. Ngayon mga bes ay mag-steam tayo ng sibuyas. Ang pag-inom pala ng katas ng in-steam na sibuyas ay nakakagaling ng ubo. At kung meron tayong sore throat, ito rin ay kayang pagalingin. Alam nyo ba kasi na ang sibuyas ang the best talaga na panglaban sa mga bacterials. So, ito mga bes, ganyan gayahin lang kung anong ginawa ko. At pag ininom niya yung katas niyan, mainit-init mong inumin, ay ang sarap ng pakiramdam sa lalamunan. Kasi na-try ko talaga and I have proven it. So, let's do it and enjoy the benefits of onion. Just in 10 minutes steam, you have own homemade medicine.